Think you know where a soundproof pod belongs? Think again. Today, we're showing you 5 unexpected places where the S-Pod Lite fits in perfectly. 1. Your retail store's back office. S-Pod Lite gives managers or employees a private spot to take calls, conduct interviews, or manage back-end operations, all without leaving the floor. 2. Airport lounges and terminals. Long layovers, tight deadlines, or remote work while traveling? S-Pod Lite is a quiet escape from the chaos. 3. Hospital staff zones. Healthcare workers need a moment of peace too. Whether for a call or a breather, the pod provides much-needed privacy. 4. Corporate offices. Add an S-Pod Lite near breakout zones for private calls or focused work, no renovations needed. 5. University libraries and campuses. S-Pod Lite helps students focus, record podcasts, or attend virtual interviews without distractions. The S-Pod Lite isn't just for offices. It's compact, powerful, and versatile, ready to go wherever privacy is needed most. Want to transform unused space into high-performance zones? Contact us now.